Here are some different words we use for cooking. Oven, chop, whisk, sift, mix, stir, sprinkle the things on the top, weigh your ingredients, crumble your food into little pieces when you put it into something, heat is when you make something hot, grate you can do to cheese, blend is when you mix very fast, this is a microwave, this is to cut with a knife, here we have a spoon, slice is for bread or meat or cheese when you cut it in pieces like this, melt is when you make something warm so that it turns into a liquid, hob is the gas where you cook your food, pour is when you transfer something from a bowl, knead is when you use your hands to squeeze the dough to make biscuits or pizza or pasta.